Okay, because this article has already been accepted into a professional journal, the APA style looks a little bit different. We'll start with the running head. The running head includes the title of the publication, along with the volume number and date of publication, as well as a URL for that publication, instead of an abbreviated version of the article's title. Additionally, the page numbers appear at the bottom of the article rather than in the upper right-hand corner as APA dictates. Then moving on, we do not have a title page. We have the title of the article itself, followed immediately by the authors and their university affiliations, without an author's note as required by APA for professional submissions. Immediately following that, we have our abstract, which does not appear on its own separate page either. The word abstract, while bold, is left aligned rather than centered. It is also fully capitalized rather than in title case. The abstract itself is one paragraph. It's justified rather than left aligned. And the keywords are stylistically listed in the right hand margin rather than below the abstract as APA dictates. As we move into the body of the paper, the content of the article itself is in a legible serif font, but it is not double spaced. The article also mostly follows the heading rules. We have a level one centered heading that's bold, but it's in all caps rather than title case. As we look into the body of the paper as well, we have multiple in-text citation styles. So we've got the 3+ author style with the Cavendish et al. And the date. And then we've got two authors, Bird and Alexander, and the date. And then later on, we'll also see a single author style, such as this last name with the date. So as we continue throughout the paper, we see our next heading style, which is kind of a combo. We've got two level two headings. They're left aligned, bold, title case, but we also have um, some outline lettered titles that kind of fall into that level two heading. And then we continue to see more of those different heading styles, more in-text citation styles, etc. And then we get to a bit of a level three heading style, but it's numbered, left aligned, title case, but it is not bold. So we do have those differences as far as this paper is formatted. And then finally, once we get to the end of the paper, we do have our reference list. It is not on its own separate page. We have reference left aligned rather than references in the center. It is also completely capitalized rather than title case, but it is bold. We also have our actual APA citations in alphabetical order, um, with the last name, comma, first initial, date of publication, as well as our titles, publication, journals, website titles, all of that information, as well as volume numbers, page numbers, etc. Additionally, these citations are in single space, but they do follow the hanging indent that is required by APA style. So there we have it, our APA article.